Try out this sum. It is very simple. Right. Samarth is ranked 6th from the top, okay, and 20th from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? Okay, এটা একবার try করো যাত্রী শিখা, very simple, it's very simple.
सर 25 होगा.
25. নীলাদ্রি, সুপ্রদীপ,
করছি।
okay. See, whenever you have something like this, like certain position from the bottom of the class, that means from the backward, okay, so you can consider one formula, okay, that we use in APGP. If there are n number of people, okay, if there are n number of people, and if rth, if there are n number of people, if there are n number of people, and the position of a person is rth from the last, okay, if there are n number of people and the position of a person is rth from the last, okay, then the position of the person from the beginning is n minus r plus 1. Okay, this is a very important formula that we use in APGP also, okay, where it is given that, say, the fifth term from the last, okay, say it is given that the fifth term from the last is this, what is this position from the beginning, like this, okay. So if there are n number of people and the position of a person is rth from the last, then the position of a person from the beginning is n minus r plus 1, right? So Samarth is ranked 6th from the top, okay, and 20th from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? Okay, how many students are there in the class? So if the number of students is n, it is given 20th from the bottom. So if 20th from the bottom, that means 20th from the last, then what is the position from the first? N minus 20 plus 1, and that is equals to what? 6th, because that is the rank from the first. So n minus 20 plus 1 is 6th, so that is 25th, I mean 25. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Supratim, Ishika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shitama, read it first. Shitama, read it first. That's what I'm saying. Niladri, if you do offline class, then you will also do it first.
I will attend your offline class.
Okay. Let us do this one. So these are just individual sums, okay, that we're doing, basic sums. Then we will slowly move to advanced. In a row of 38 boys, Ranu became 19th from the left when he shifted 5 places to the right. What was his earlier position from the right end of the row?
Sir, 25.
Hmm.
38 minus 19 plus 1 plus 5.
Right. In a row of 38 boys, Ranu became 19th from the left. From the left, okay. When he shifted 5 places to the right, okay. So that means what was, okay, what was his earlier position from the right end of the row? So if I put back Ranu in her original place, okay, Ranu became 19th when he shifted 5 places. So 19 minus 5, 14, okay. So Ranu is in the 14th place. Now what was his earlier position from the right end of the row? So that is going to be 38 minus 14 plus 1. Okay, because see why I am doing plus 1, because when I am doing 38 minus 14, I am actually excluding that 14th place. That is the reason why I am adding.
minus 4
देखो,
minus
Ranu became 19th when he shifted 5 places to the right. What was his earlier position? তার মানে 15 16 17 18 19 তে গেছে, তাহলে ও আগে কোথায় ছিল? 19 minus 14 এর 14 পজিশনে, মানে তোমার কত হচ্ছে 15th পজিশনে ছিল। সরি, 19 minus 5, that is in 14th position. So 14th position actually including the 14th, okay. So what was his actual place? 38 minus 19 minus 5 plus 1, which is 15th position. See, in case of position, whenever you subtract a position, add 1, because when you are subtracting, when you are doing 38 minus 14th, you are actually excluding 14th. So when you add 1, you actually add that position again, okay. So 38 minus 19 minus 5. Why 19 minus 5? Shifting Ranu back 5 position back. 19 minus 5 and then plus 1. So 38 is the total number of people. Shifted Ranu back to our original place, subtracted from 38 and then added 1. Okay, so that the subtracted position is considered 15th. Sorry, 25th. 25th position. हाँ.
सर इसमें अगर नॉर्मली करे बिना कोई फॉर्मूला के तो
फॉर्मूला कहाँ अप्लाई किए? नॉर्मली तो की.
ये एन वाला जो है, हाँ, अगर उसको हम नॉर्मली करेंगे तो 19th प्लेस में जब फर्स्ट टाइम आया तो उसके बाद तो राइट शिफ्ट करने उसको बोला 5 प्लेसेस, तो वो किया। तो फिर यहाँ पे लिखा है व्हाट वाज हिज अर्लियर पोजीशन फ्रॉम द राइट एंड ऑफ द रो, तो राइट एंड से अगर लेंगे तो उसका पोजीशन तो 25th नहीं आ रहा है।
क्यों 25th नहीं आ रहा है? 1, ये पोजीशन नंबर 1 है, ठीक है, और ये 38 तक गया, राइट। अभी इसका 19th कब आया? This is a 19th position, right? Okay. How did she attain this 19th position? When he shifted 5 places to the right. That means 15, 16, 17, 18 and then 19. Now put her back.
पीछे तो नहीं जाना है सर।
कहाँ? ये तो बोला है तो, shifted 5 places to the right.
5 places to the right.
इसको तो राइट साइड बोलते हैं।
हाँ तो इस तरफ होगा ना, 19 के बाद 19 प्लस 5 24।
नहीं 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 नहीं, देखो वो इसको पढ़ो, शी बिकेम 19th फ्रॉम लेफ्ट, ये लेफ्ट साइड है, शी बिकेम 19th फ्रॉम लेफ्ट व्हेन शी शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स द राइट। लेफ्ट साइड से 19th पोजीशन में है, वो पहले इधर थी, वो इस साइड खिसकने लगी। सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज द राइट साइड, right? This is the right side. So he started shifting by 5 positions, okay, and he became 19th from where, from the left side, ये तो left side है, so 19th from left, okay। अभी इसको पीछे हम लोग कर दिए, so we moved this person 5 position back, so that means he comes to 14th, right? Now what was this earlier position from the right end of the row, यहाँ से इसका position क्या था, तो टोटल से 38 से -14 किए और फिर +1 किए, ठीक है। मेरे को ये निकालना है, ये पोजीशन निकालना है, ये पोजीशन निकालना है, ठीक है। तो क्या किए, मेरा मेरा यहाँ से यहाँ तक का निकल गया, इट इज 14, आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट दिस, सो 38 - 14 + 1, because when I'm subtracting -14 I am actually excluding their 14, so but I need their position, so I'm adding 1. Understood नीलाद्री, सुप्रतिम? ओ तुम्ही तो बोलले सुप्रतिम।
Yes.
Let's do this. আনন্দ আম্বানির মাথায় টাক ধরা পড়েছে, সেটা নিয়ে এবার শুরু করছে।
सर 9th पोजीशन होगा।
That's correct. হ্যাঁ, is it done? In a queue, Mayank is 8th from the front, while Ankita is 16th from the beginning. Asta is exactly between the
9,
two.
sir. Yes.
Right. If there are 25 people in the queue, what is Asta's position in the from the front? So Mayank is 8 from the front and 16 from behind. Okay, so that means, so what is Ankita's position from the last? 25 minus 16 plus 1 n minus r plus 1 যেটা বললাম, that is going to be 26 minus 16, that is going to be 10. So that means Ankita is 10th, so Mayank is 8th, Ankita is 10th, so Astha is exactly in between, that is 9th, right? Okay, fine. So that's all I have for ranking today.